All right, a lot of people think when they get a lapel mic, the lapel mic works automatically. Unfortunately, that is not so. In this video, I will be teaching you how to connect your lapel mic with your phone camera to get the best audio quality. Let's go into it. Hey, it's John from How To Videos. In this channel, we'll teach you basically how to do anything. If you have any request, if you want us to make any video for you, just leave us a comment. Our team will look into it and get the video ready for you. And if it's your first time on my channel, on our channel, please do well to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get notified when we post new videos. Okay, so the lapel mic or the lavella mic or the lavla mic, whatever you call it, but basically the lapel mic is another kind of mic. I already made a video on how to use a condensed mic, how to set a condenser mic with a sound card. All right, but in this video, we'll be looking at a lapel mic. Now, for you to get the best of audio quality, it's important that you use a lapel mic. I'm going to do the comparison between when you use your normal microphone, all right, from your device, and when you use your lapel mic. The sound quality is actually different. A lot of people think that when you connect your lapel mic, it works automatically. However, it's not true. For most phones, the connection is not automatic. All right, so that is why in this video, I'll be teaching you how to connect your lapel mic to your phone to get the best of audio. Because if you take note of it, you will discover that after you've connected your lapel mic, you are still having poor or even worse audio quality. All right, because it's basically not working. So this is an example of a lapel mic. All right, just something like this, and exactly like the one I'm using over here. So you connect this mouth to your phone, all right, where you normally put your earpiece or your headset. You connect this, then you speak into this. There's a lot of confusion about where to position your lapel mic, whether you have it in my chest, just I have it here, or you have it somewhere else, all right? Wherever you want to position your lapel mic, it really does not matter, but it's important to ensure that wherever it is positioned, it is around where it can pick the sound easily. All right, so I can decide to put my lapel mic, assuming I'm wearing a collar shirt, all right, I can decide to put my lapel mic under my collar shirt, all right, just like this. You're someone that have a long hair, right, so you can actually put your lapel mic, arrange it under your hair, and that's just it, because the purpose of the lapel mic is not just for it to be visible like mine, but for it to pick the best sound quality. So some people actually sometimes put the lapel mic under their chest. All right, it will be positioned here. Okay, so and you won't know that they're actually using a lapel mic. All right, because the actual purpose of using a lapel mic is to get the best of sound. I hope you got that. How does a lapel mic work? Now, when you are using a lapel mic with your audio device, it works perfectly. I mean, yeah, perfectly. It's just automatic. If you want to do sound recording, all right, so you don't need any setting to do sound recording. However, if you are to do video recording, you will need to download Open Camera. All right, so I will be teaching you how to download Open Camera and how to use it and how to set it up so that you would be picking the best of sound. So let's go into our phone now. All right, so the next thing for us to do now is to download the Open Camera app. So depending on your device, this is Android, so you go to Play Store. So you open the Play Store and you search for Open Camera. All right, so this is the Open Camera. So what you do is just to download, then after you've downloaded it, then you open it. Okay, so So this is exactly what you'll have after you've opened your camera. I'm going to make a video on how to use this particular app, this open camera, professionally, so that you will be able to enjoy the functionalities on this app. But for the purpose of how to connect your lavalier mic or your lapel mic to be able to pick the best of audio quality, so this is what you are going to do. You click on settings, then you come to video settings. All right. When you have that, then you scroll down to where you have audio source. All right, so when you click on the audio source, make sure that it is on external mic if present. All right, external mic if present. So that means if you are not using an external mic or lapel mic, then you need to use the normal phone camera mic. But if you are using an external mic, then just click on the external mic. All right, so with this, basically your video is recording directly from your your lapel mic or your external mic. All right. So the last thing is that just like I said it's when you use a lapel mic, it's quite different from when you use your normal phone camera. And the sound quality that comes from when you use an external mic, generally, whether the condenser mic or the lapel mic, is far better than when you use your normal Android or iPhone conventional mic. All right. So I will be removing the lapel mic now, and we'll see how it works. Okay. Okay, now you would definitely notice that number one, maybe there is distance in my voice, and maybe you're also hearing some small external sound that is coming around. All right, this will not happen if you are using a lapel mic. All right, so I'm going to put back the lapel mic and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so now you can definitely see for yourself, hear for yourself, that there is a big difference between when you use your lapel mic and when you use your normal conventional mic. All right, thank you. Okay, I hope you've learned one or two things on how to use the lapel mic. Link description on how to get everything I've mentioned in this video is right in the description below. Click on it and get your own. All right, see you another time. Thank you.